How to create a playlist on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your YouTube account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and simply find a song you would like to add onto your playlist. Then tap on the three dot icon. Then tap on Save to Playlist. Inside here, if you have created your playlist, you'll then be able to find all the names right over here. But if you don't, you want to go ahead and tap on New Playlist, and then you want to go ahead and type in the title. Once done, tap on Create, and just like so, that very song is now saved to your playlist. If you would like to view the song, you'll then be able to find playlist section right over here. Tap onto it, and just like that, you will be able to find all of your playlists on your YouTube. That is simply how you can create playlists on YouTube. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.